So let's move to the screen. First of all, go to Gemini AI Studio website. The tool link you can find in the description. The name of tool is Nano Banana. You might have heard this name, but its official name is Gemini Flash 2.5. So here, click on the Get Started button on the right side and log in using your Google account. As soon as you come to this page, you will see Try Nano Banana written. Click on it. Here you can see there is always a pre-written command. Just delete it. In our first use case, we'll take a simple image and turn it into a stunning product presentation. Let's see how to do it. Here you can see next to the yellow run box, there is plus icon in the circle. Click on it. Then we will upload a simple image along with the reference image so the AI can understand what kind of output we want. Now comes the important part, the prompt. So I have already written mine. So if you need that doc, comment down nano prompt in the comment box below and also send me email on support@dolphy.io with the same subject line nano prompt. So I'll paste the prompt here and click run button. And in just 1 to 2 minutes, Nano Banana will generate our professional product presentation. Looks much better, right, than what we expected.
Really good.
So now let's take a look at second use case. In this use case, we'll take one image with our product, one image with the product background we are looking for, and the third is a model. You can select a male or female, any kind of model. And we want to combine all the three and want to generate our awesome product photography. Let's see how to do it. Just like before, click the plus icon, upload all the images, and then paste the prompt and click run. So within 1 to 2 minutes, Nano Banana will give us the final product presentation. And here is our final result. It's coming from Google Gemini. It shouldn't be bad, right? So let's see our third use case. We will convert a product label into a mockup. Let's see how to do it. The process will remain the same. Click on plus icon, but this time upload your label image along with the mockup style reference image. Now comes the prompt. As usual, I have already written mine, so I'll just paste it here and hit run. In a few minutes, Nano Banana will give us the mockup presentation. And here you can see our final result. Now we have learned the correct way to use Nano Banana. Now also take a look at all these images you can see on your screen. You might have seen those images on social medias, on Instagram, and on many other ways. Let's see also how you can create such trending images. So again, you have to click on plus icon and then you can upload the image you want to make modification. Paste the prompt. So after pasting the prompt, click run, and in few minutes you can see our final results. So I have covered all these different ways you can use the Nano Banana, as well as giving you all the required prompts with the doc. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel, and share this video with all your friends who are in the designing, photography and videography field. See you in the next one.